So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in CyberCube. So guys, CyberCube basically hiring a lot of people, right? Information security consultant, they want 3+ years of experience, and VAPT for 3+ years of experience. Sales account executive, freshers is required, right? Second is SOC analyst, which is in three sets. So guys, where is three sets? Just let me know in the comment box. And MTech, MCA, and BTech is important. 2 to 4 years of experience is required. And security.pm at esafbank.com, right? Now next one is SOC analyst to join Yes Technologies in Pune. So the company name is Yes Technologies. 2 to 4 years of experience required. 24/7 is the shift. Azure Sentinel knowledge is important, and knowledge basis in KQL is important. 0 30 days of notice period at dube.deepak@yes.com. Domain is so cool. Yes. Okay. So next one is SOC analyst L2. And this is the mail ankita.mamrat@stickmancyber.com. 3 to 6 years of experience is required. SIM knowledge is important. So it's a L2 because I feel like it's yeah, 3 to 6 years of experience is required. And EDR, MSSP environment, DFIR, 15 days. So accordingly you can apply, right? Next one is offensive security specialist, red team, Dubai, UAE, on site, full time. And what you'll do: conduct a red team exercise, internal, external, perform social engineering, ensure offensive security align with NIST, MITRE attack, and regulatory framework. A requirement is around bachelor's in cyber security, INFOSEC, or related field. 4+ years of experience is required. So this is for experienced folks. careers@mhmarkets.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? So this is what we have. Now the next one is SOC L1 plus L2, right? Freshers from experience. So here the minimum 2 years of experience is required, right? I don't know why my pad is not working. Touchpad. Yes. So they can pay you around 9 LPA, right? And 24/7. Like it's a SOC work. So contact number है. Just ask whatever questions you have. Two plus years of experience required minimum. Next one is offensive security specialist, red team, Dubai is hiring. Guys, Dubai is paying a lot. What you'll do: conduct red team exercises, internal, external PT, perform social engineering and phishing campaign, identify vulnerability and development custom exploit, map and access attack surface across infrastructure and applications, use metas tool like Metasploit, Cobalt Strike, and Bloodhound for adversary simulations. Requirement is bachelor in cybersecurity, InfoSec, or related domain. 4+ years of experience is required, right? Cobalt Strike, Bloodhood, Bobsuit, all these things is important. OSCP, CRTP, CH, and GPAN or similar is important. Careers@mhmarkets.com is the mail ID on which you need to drop the resume, right?